Good morning. Today I am trying some wheat-free waffles with organic maple syrup, the real stuff. So, since this is the first time I'm going to be trying it and I just woke up, I wanted to do it on video so you could see if it was worth your time, money, and effort to go wheat-free and try some of this. Let's see. Well, it tastes like a waffle to me. So, it tastes like a real waffle. Well, I'm very happy with my purchase. I will be able to continue to eat waffles without all the weird effects of eating wheat and wheat gluten. Very good. I suggest you try it if you have any wheat or gluten intolerances.